In this video, we're going to have a look at the favicon. The favicon is the small icon that appears in browser tabs and search engines, and also bookmarks on devices. Different image formats can be used for the favicon, such as SVG and PNG, but if we notice from the website Can I Use, that SVG, it has less than 80% support. PNG has more at 97.75%. And as it mentions here, the .ico format has full support. So different browsers have different requirements for acquiring your site's favicon images. And of course, if you want to achieve full support, then you'll need a range of file types and sizes and the correct linking methods. Depending on your needs, you may want to revise the requirements of all the different browsers. Taking a look down on the right there, we can see the current browsers which are available today. And then keep in mind that Chrome has the largest amount of users, but then keep in mind that all of these have their different versions as well. So some people are still using older versions. Okay, and then for different platforms, the bookmarks on different platforms, such as iPhones or Android, they'll have maybe sometimes different formats. So to help us with that, some generous people have created favicon generators. So here are a list of a few. Here we'll just take a look at the real favicon generator. So select your favicon. It should be an image of at least 260 pixels squared or larger. Okay, now this favicon generator shows us how it will be displayed on different platforms, including light theme and dark theme. Okay, and for the iOS web clip, it doesn't look so good. So here this generator allows us to use a dedicated picture for that particular image. Also for Android, you can use a dedicated image, but this one is okay. The contrast is good. For the Windows Metro, again, you can use a different image and you can change the color of the background tile. In Safari, we've lost our image shape altogether, so we'll use a dedicated image, which looks better. Once we've finished choosing all of our different formats, we can generate our favicons and the HTML code. So we download the package of icons, we copy over the links and add it to our head section of our HTML. And then if you can, then you're welcome to make a donation. Then we can add all of the content of the file to the public or root folder. For the web manifest, if you're creating a progressive web app and it's not a standalone app, then you'll want the display to be browser. Further research has been done with regard to the necessity of all of these icons. It has also been recommended to add an SVG image as one size fits all. However, there still needs to be backup favicon for the browsers and bookmarks on different platforms that don't support it. And in this generator that we looked at, there is a link to create an SVG icon if you need to. And now your site will be all set up for great favicon browser and device support. So if you have any other useful favicon information or generators, please leave a link in the description and enjoy creating favicons.